If you're trying to get this flash attention installed on your Windows, Linux, Mac, or any other operating system, and getting this weird error where it is complaining about some of the packages or about NVCC, then it means that it is unable to find the CUDA home, and that is what you need to set. And especially this error occurs when you are using Conda or mini Conda. Let me tell you how you can resolve this. Simply clear the screen and then run this command within your Conda environment, conda install -c nvidia coda-python, and then it is going to let you install the flash attention. So simply let me run it. It is going to take few seconds, maybe 20-30 seconds. Just press Y here and it is going to install everything. Let's wait for it to get installed. It is almost there. Should be done any second now. And that is done eventually. And now if you run this pip install flash attention, it is going to install it. So it is running, shouldn't take too long. Let's wait for it to finish. I'll just show you that how what it is installed. You see, we have run this. It is just working with it, going, and it is now installing everything. This is our nemesis flash attention. It is also getting installed. Let's wait for it to finish. Shouldn't take too long. And if you're just feeling bad that you are the only one who couldn't get it working, don't worry. There are heaps of people. If you go to the um, GitHub repo of this flash attention here, if you scroll down, there are like more than 400 um, issues which people have opened, screaming about the same thing. So I believe that this package really needs to uh, lift its game. It's terrible at the moment. I'm sorry to say that. So there are so many dependencies on so many Python versions and architectures, but there you go. At least at last it has installed now without throwing us any egg error or whatever NVCC and that sort of thing. Anyway, that's it, guys. Let me know how you go. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.